Want to turn cars into cash? Starting an automatic car wash can be your golden ticket to $1 million business. Let's break down how you can start small and scale to success. Choose a high-traffic location. The best spots are near shopping centers, gas stations, or busy roads. A good location can bring in hundreds of cars daily, setting the stage for big profits. To boost profits, upsell premium services like waxing or tire shining. These additional services not only enhance the customer experience, but also significantly increase your revenue per transaction. By offering a variety of premium options, you cater to different customer needs and preferences, making your car wash a one-stop shop for all their vehicle care requirements. Monthly memberships are a game changer. Charge $20 to $30 per month, and you'll have recurring income even on slow days. These memberships provide customers with unlimited washes, encouraging them to visit more frequently. This not only builds customer loyalty, but also ensures a steady stream of income, regardless of weather conditions or seasonal fluctuations. With just 500 members paying $25 monthly, that's $150,000 a year in passive income, before counting single washes or upsells. Imagine the potential growth if you expand your membership base or introduce tiered membership plans with additional perks. The possibilities for increasing your revenue are endless, making your car wash business more profitable and sustainable in the long run. An in-bay automatic system costs about $135,000. This initial investment might seem steep, but the returns can be substantial if managed correctly. Start with one location, focus on efficiency, and reinvest profits into opening more sites. Efficiency is key. Streamline operations to maximize throughput and minimize downtime. One busy location can make $250,000 annually. This revenue can be reinvested into marketing, equipment upgrades, and staff training to further boost profitability. Open 4, and you're in the $1 million league. With multiple locations, economies of scale kick in, reducing costs and increasing margins, propelling your business to new heights. To maximize your profits, start by running targeted social media ads aimed specifically at local customers. These ads can highlight special promotions, services, or unique selling points of your car wash. Additionally, consider partnering with nearby businesses to create mutually beneficial promotions. For example, offer a discount at your car wash for customers who shop at a neighboring store, and vice versa. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave positive reviews online, as these can significantly boost your reputation. Implementing a loyalty app and offering discounts can incentivize repeat visits. Happy customers are more likely to return, leading to consistent business and ultimately higher profits. Remember, customer satisfaction is key to long-term success. With the right strategy, an automatic car wash can be your ticket to financial freedom. Ready to start your journey? Hit that like button and subscribe for more business ideas.